Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and today I have the all new Oppo Reno 11F 5G. And guys, this is a upper mid-range phone from Oppo, and this is the first smartphone in the Oppo Reno 11 series. And Oppo Reno series is coming in the Pakistan after a long time, and this phone is costing around 80,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. So this is the box of the Oppo Reno 11F 5G. So on the back we have some more specification about the phone. So you can see we have 8 GB of RAM with a 256 GB of internal storage, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. And also the color I have is the ocean blue color. Now let's see that how is the Oppo Reno 11F 5G is gonna look like in the ocean blue color. Let me remove the plastic like this, and this one also available in other colors. So you can see we have a matte box. It says Oppo Reno 11F 5G. So now let's open this box. So on the top we have mini box. So inside of this box we should have a silicone case. Yes, it is. And first thing, we have a quick start guide as well as a safety guide. And here is our soft silicone case. In the side it comes in the matte. And here is our Oppo Reno 11F 5G in the ocean blue color again, and these are the main highlighting features. On the back we have a triple 64 megapixel main camera. We also have 67 watts super fast charging with 5000 mAh battery size. On the front we have a borderless 120 Hz AMOLED display. We also have IP65 water and dust resistance, which you don't find in the previous Oppo Reno 10, which hasn't launched in the Pakistan market. So now let's start the phone from this wrapper. As you can see, here is the ocean blue color looks like, as you can see, and the back is made up of plastic. We have a plastic frame. On the back we have really big camera layout in which we have 64 megapixel main camera. And now let's quickly boot this phone up. We also have a screen protector on the front. So let's see what else we get and then the phone. And the first thing, we are getting our charger, and guys, and this is a 67 watt super fast charger. Nice to see that. And here is our cable, which is a USB type C to USB A cable, as you can see. So now let's put all these things to the side. And guys, on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone. We don't have any headphone jack. So on the left hand side we have our SIM tray, and also got the SIM tray on this phone. So you can see we have hybrid SIM slot, so you can use one micro SD card with a 1 nano SIMs or a 2 nano SIMs at the same time. Also inside the SIM tray we also have rubber gasket because we have IP65 water and dust resistance rating. So on the top we have noise cancellation microphone. This phone also has a stereo speakers. So we have volume up and volume down rocker as well as a power on button. It is on the right hand side. On the back we have triple cameras. We have 64 megapixel main camera. Then we have 8 megapixel ultra wide. Also we have 2 megapixel macro. And I am really liking the design language on the Oppo Reno 11F 5G, especially with the ocean blue color. And now let's talk about the display, which is the main highlight. And this phone has 6.7 inch Full HD plus AMOLED, which can produce up to 1 billion colors. Also we have 120 Hz refresh rate with a center punch hole on the top. Overall you can see in the bezels it is really small on the Oppo Reno 11F 5G, which looks really gorgeous. And now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, and it's the first boot of the Oppo Reno 11F 5G. And guys, and the first impression about the display quality, this phone has a AMOLED display. So now let's see the max brightness. So you can see the display looks really bright. We have 1100 nits of peak brightness. Let me go to the settings, and here is the notification panel looks like, as you can see. And now let's go about phone, and this phone is running on Android 14. Yes, it is. Also we have ColorOS version 14. We have 256 GB of internal storage, and out of 23.5 GB it is already used in this phone. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This phone has fingerprint scanner inside the display. As you can see in the fingerprint scanner, it works absolutely fast, no issue whatsoever. And this phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7050 SoC, which is based on 6 nanometer architecture overall. And the performance of the UI feels really smooth with the 120 Hz. And now let's look at the camera. So it's the back camera looks like. So this phone has 64 megapixel main camera. And here's your 8 megapixel ultra wide, which looks really nice. Here is the video mode, and the back camera maximum shoot 4K at 30 fps, which is a good thing. With the ultra wide we have a 1080p at 30 fps. Also with the back camera we also have a bokeh mode, which give you a background blur. Also with the back camera we also have ultra steady mode. Here is the portrait mode. So in the mode section, we also have night mode, which is also available with ultra wide, and we also have slow motion. We also have macro mode. We also have a dual view video mode, and also get the front facing camera. This phone has a 32 megapixel wide selfie camera, so you can see in the selfie camera looks really wide, although I don't like the colors. Now let's see the colors, and the colors looks, I would say, really natural. It is the video mode, and the front camera also shoot 4K at 30 fps, which is a good thing. With the front facing camera, we also have ultra steady mode, and we also have a bokeh mode, which give you a background blur in the video, and it is the portrait mode with the front facing camera. And night mode, it is also available with the front facing camera, and slow motion it is not available with the front facing camera. Let's talk about the battery life. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 67 watt super fast charging, and combined with the Dimensity 7050 SoC, this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Oppo Reno 11 5G. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and let me know what kind of more videos that you guys want to see regarding the Oppo Reno 11 5G, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.